Hi there, this video will show you how to save, preview and publish your interactivity. I'm using the mountain climb interaction for this. Let us assume that you have completely customized your interaction, be it changing your background, adding audio, or customizing your font. Click on the Save button to save changes. That's here. Click on the pencil icon on the header and change the name of the interaction. You can click here and you can add a name. Then click on the preview button. It'll get you to a new screen with a drop down that has options of the device you want to publish your interaction in. Let me show you how the resolution changes as per the device you choose. Okay, here are some more. This is a mobile. This is a mobile in a horizontal mode. Another mobile device. If you're sure that the course looks great, click the Publish button. Let's do that. Select your preferred tracking format, be it SCORM or XAPI. Your interaction is ready to be shared with your learners. All the best.